Hey guys, we've been given early access to the new Bing, so I've been playing this morning with the developer version, and yeah, goodbye Google. it's so let's have a little play, and I'll show you about. So here we have the new chat section. Do you know the women's clothing website called New Look? Help if I spelled clothing right, but yeah, you found it. Please create the HTML and CSS for a similar site using stock photos. Also create a navigation bar. I'll do for now. So this feels stronger than ChatGPT in its abilities. Not as fast as the paid version of ChatGPT, but the output is longer and of higher quality. So it's making me now a website similar to New Look, and it's in addition sourcing photos, which I haven't provided, from the internet to implement into this website of mine. Okay, I need to point out this was going a lot faster when I was trialing this earlier, so I'm not sure if they've actually maybe even throttled the AI or the allocation or speed that I'm receiving, because there's a lot less than it was. But it's interesting at how much it's kind of reduced in speed. Okay, let's take what it's given so far and try running that. So let's copy that, paste it into here. It's not half bad. So we've got our navigation, we've got our skinny jeans, floral dresses. Nice. Continue. The continue also seems to work better than the GPT-3. Okay, let's take that and paste that into our code. Lovely. So there we go. My new New Look website, or old Look. I did say old Look, didn't I? Oh, it's called New Look now anyway. Okay, on that note, I'm going to end the video here. I will let you know how my exploration goes, and I do have a couple more tutorials in the works. I just wanted to get this out and just to show you that, like, how awesome so far Bing is. I'm really enjoying it. Anyway, take care. Thanks for watching. Alex out.